The Vigyan Jyoti Institute of Management basically is sponsored by a society called Vigyan Jyoti, which is purely not-for-profit education society set up by few of the educationalists, industrialists, and mostly they are first and second generation entrepreneurs. So it started in 91 under the umbrella of Vigyan Jyoti. We have five institutions. All the five institutions are doing a good job. VISAM is the second in the segment. Next is we have engineering college, we have a rural development institute, we have a very reputed public school and arts and science college. So the the management gives a complete support and encourages all the institutions and students to excel well. And the vision is to be a leading B school in the region through the process of transforming the students into management professionals. We offer the PGDM program, which is approved by AICTE. That means ours is a completely an autonomous management institute, and our PGDM program is also accorded the equivalent to MBA by Association of Indian Universities. Uh, most of the students has a doubt what is PGDM and what is an MBA. PGDM is being offered by few institutions which are approved by AICTE, and they need not have which are not affiliated to any university. MBA is offered by the institutions which are approved by affiliated to the any university. In our PGDM program, we offer various selective courses like popular courses like finance, marketing, and HR. And in addition to that, we also offer the program course, a specialization in business analytics area. In addition to the specializations, what I mentioned, we also offer some certifications from reputed organizations like the Six Sigma from the KPMG, enterprise valuation from EY, and digital marketing from the Times Pro. Like that, we offer various specialized certification program which enhances the skills of the people. At the end of the program, we also have a capstone program which gives a complete overview of the entire course, and it's a kind of a simulation. Uh, in addition to that, we offer multiple levels of industry interaction, industry related projects. I'll say that. That means we have tied up with one of the agency for industry related projects. Then they give them on course, online, real life projects. So every student has to complete three in the program, and which are been validated by the company professionals. That enhances the skill and industry connect with the students in addition to the regular summer internship or internship activity of the students. Cutoff is, as I said, we consider the composite score. The composite score comprises of previous academic background plus test score. We consider it, and if a student is crossing 50%, then only he will get a call from our institution for the interview. So, and for even admission also, after the interview, the student clears the English, that is language proficiency and general ability proficiency, then only he will be given an offer letter. So that is the kind of an admission activity we do. So that means the candidate has to have a good consistent academic background to be called for an interview at visa. In terms of the gender diversity, we have almost 50-50%, 50% of the girls in the batch. Sometimes it exceeds. The girls' strength has exceeded the boys' strength. A couple of batches back, we had 55% of the girls and 50%, 45% of the the boys. And in terms of the academic background, we have equal distribution. We have the students from the commerce stream, we have the students from the science stream, we have the students from engineering, Bachelor of BBS stream, art stream. I mean, equally distributed 20-25% in all the batches. Currently, we have more of the students from the science stream also. Earlier, we had many of the engineering students, but our diversity is completely distributed among all the streams of the education. Placement, the last year, that is the batch who passed out, we were able to place 80% of the students by end of February, but due to the pandemic, we could not do the progress. But fortunately, all the offers made to the students were honored by the companies, and last batch of the students, a few students joined in the end of November in the MRF. That means all the students who got an offer letters joined the companies, and rest some of the students are pursuing internship and likely to get the placement. That means we ensure that 100% placement to all the who are all eligible students, as well as who opted who opted for the placement. And also for the current final year students, already the placement activity has started. Deloitte has recruited 25, and various companies are in pipeline like ITC, Asian Paints, Invesco, I know Burger Paints, Colgate Palmolive are in pipeline, and interviews are in progress. We are hoping that placement scenario is improving, and we'll be able to place all the eligible students this year. We have an excellent infrastructure, and it is completely, I'll call it as a green campus. There is a lot of place for the room for the students to interact and enjoy the place. And we have a beautiful hostels also, wherein 250 students can comfortably stay in the hostel. 100 girls, and remaining 150 for the boys. All the rooms are independent, that is single occupancy rooms, and it is a well guarded and well ventilated, and lot of the free space for the students, and so also 24-hour 24 by 7 security, as well as power backup. You don't find such a hostel in any of the leading business schools in the country. I can say that. I mean, of our nature, you will not get any such that kind of a hostel, and really the students enjoy the hostel life. We do have scholarships at multiple levels. First, at entry level, we have scholarships to the students based on the composite score. The composite score is calculated on the basis of the basis of their performance in the class 10, plus 2, undergraduation, test score, and interview. And those who score above 90, they get straight of 1.5 lakhs of the scholarship. Like that, we have different slabs up to 25,000 rupees. In addition to that, every trimester, the student get the top four students get 50% of the trimester fees as a scholarship. That means some students get almost 50% of the course fee waiver, and there is tough competition for it. And also, we do have some scholarship for the OBC category and economically weaker people. That's we call it as a merit cum means kind of a scholarship to encourage the students to study, and the those who cannot afford, we encourage them. We sponsor the Vigyan Jyoti Society itself sponsors the students, and in terms of the loan, we call it as a loan scholarship, and we encourage the students. Payment terms are very flexible. Hyderabad has many of the corporates, especially Hyderabad is a hub for the IT and ITES as well as pharma. So we and also some of the in the financial segment also BFSI segment also is Hyderabad is a hub now. So we get the real experienced people as a faculty, as a visiting faculty, or to interact with the students. So Hyderabad is, in fact, is a destination, could be the right destination for the many of MBA aspirants because it is a truly cosmopolitan city, as in and also in weather-wise and location-wise also is well connected to the people. Plus, they get very good opportunities to interact with the experienced practitioners and industry people, professionals.